Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jovelyn Roato. I'm 25 years old. My highest educational attainment is college level. As of now, I currently live here in San Pedro, Laguna. I am the youngest of the family. Mom and Sir, this is my first time, but I know a household chores. Because I have an experience here in the Philippines for 6 years as a housemaid. I'm serving 5 members of the family, age 62 years old, 42 years old, 40 years old, 12 years old, and a newborn baby. My tasks there are ironing, laundry, washing dishes, cleaning the house, car washing, and also I'm a family driver and taking care of newborn baby. Mom and Sir, I have many skills like leadership, a fast learner, ability to work under pressure. I am willing to take new challenges. I am a hardworking person and I'm willing to learn more. Mom and Sir, please choose me as your helper because I promise to you I will obey your rules and regulations in your house. Thank you and God bless.